Probably the people that just ran away with the baby. Holy smokes. Yeah, turn this thing around. Pull him out. I'll videotape it. Good God. Snow is like... Holy sh**. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is a storm, bro.
I hate stupid people.
Is this about to be a tornado or something? This thing ain't going nowhere. Good Lord, it won't even focus.
Tell me they're still.
If you guys like this video, be sure to smack the like button below and subscribe for more. Also, don't forget to check out some of our best recent videos by clicking on one of the clips on screen. This is Big Clyde 34. Thanks for watching.